Luoyang Feng Office Furniture Company Limited, the trading department of Feng Furniture Factory, was founded in 2009. Based on the factory background, we have been committing to the professional design and production of steel furniture over 16 years. The main products including filing cabinets, steel lockers, office desks, mobile pedestal cabinet, tool cabinet, storage shelves, racks, steel beds, library bookshelf, mass mobile shelving and custom products. All of the products are produced with the standard of BSCI, CE, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certificates. Our factory covers 240,000 square meters floor space, has 13 advanced production workshops, and 8 automatic powder coating lines. With the advanced technology, high automation molded production and strict quality control system, our products are quality constant in mass production, and the monthly output reaches to 80,000 pieces. Our products sell well in European, American, Australian, Southeast Asian and some other markets for years, and constantly receive acclaims from customers. With professional export experience and considerate customer service team, we are here to provide superior products and services to ensure that we have whatever our customers need and whenever they need it. We hope to establish business relationship with you in near future, and time will testify that we will be your pleasant and trustworthy cooperation partner. We warmly welcome you to contact us and visit our company and factory.
We can provide office file cabinet, steel locker, tool cabinet, pedestal cabinet, steel shelving, office desk, steel bed, and related metal office furniture or custom products, which meet your requirement. Welcome to contact us.